Oh, that's so dumb, bro. That was literally the one thing I hoped wouldn't happen. But like, oh man. Jesus, my heart was pounding. That's literally the one thing I hoped wouldn't happen. God damn it. I'm very happy I got to the duel, but like that's literally the one thing I hoped wouldn't happen. If I literally transitioned into that, I'm so good at this at the ship ball duel now. If I literally transitioned into it right, I probably could have gotten to the end. That's so unfortunate. All right, whatever though. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.